What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Huge day for Bitcoin. We got some huge news regarding crypto being allowed in retirement accounts, which is enormous, and XRP got their case dismissed. So take a look at the markets, then I'll dive into those stories. Bitcoin around 116K. Ethereum may break 4K soon, and XRP up around 10%. Because of the news. So really great day, all green today for crypto. So the first story, Trump signs an executive order easing the path for private assets in 401ks. So this includes private equity, real estate, crypto, and other alternative assets. And this will allow people who have 401ks to use their 401ks to buy these assets. And this opens up around a $12.5 trillion pool of capital. That's how much money is held in retirement accounts, okay? Enormous. And Mike Novogratz today talked about this as well. Let's take a look.
Trump last night came out and talked about crypto assets being eligible for 401ks. I mean, that's a monster pool of capital. And what we're just seeing is through these treasury companies, through all kinds of different avenues, the aperture of being able to buy crypto being widened and widened and widened.
All right, so that's from Mike. And from David Sachs, he says, the president signed two important executive orders today, guaranteeing fair banking for all Americans, essentially ending Operation Choke Point 2.0, which would prevent denial of banking services based on political beliefs, religious beliefs, or lawful business practices. So I think that's pretty obvious, and I'm glad that is put into law. And also democratizing access to alternative assets for 401k investors, right? So that is what I just mentioned before. So I'm a little bit surprised that XRP is only up around 10%, to be honest. Let's see what it did for the day. Yeah, it got to a little bit higher, but I mean, this is a monster case that was closed. Ripple and the SEC have filed a joint dismissal of appeals, officially ending the case. This is one of crypto's longest running legal battles, right? And a lot of you guys have been hearing about SEC versus Ripple. Right here, we have the SEC versus Ripple Labs, the defendants Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. And here it says they jointly stipulate to the dismissal of the commission's appeal and Ripple's cross appeal. So that's done. That's really big news. And I got to say, I'm a little surprised that XRP, didn't even take over $3.61 where it was, less than a month ago. I would have hoped that it would have had a bigger green candle for the day. But nonetheless, this is where we're at. And taking a look at the price of Bitcoin. So we have been range bound for a few weeks, just in this range between around 112 to 123 or whatever. So we've just been chilling here for a while, guys. Ethereum also chilling in this range for a few weeks as well. The last couple days for some large caps like Solana, we've seen a good uptrend. Solana was 155, now it's 172. And taking a look at XRP, $2.70 not too long ago. Now it's chilling at around $3.30. And as always, if you are a trader and you want to capture very low trading fees, you can check out my link below for BTCC, and you can get the deposit bonus as well if you use my link below. And to finish the video, we have Elon reposting something from Coinbase. Now, this is an animated GIF, however you pronounce that. It's basically using Grok to turn this little Bitcoin meme, the Bitcoin wizard meme, into a movie. So very interesting that Elon is just becoming more vocal about Bitcoin. A few days ago on his profile, he asked Grok about, will Bitcoin be affected by quantum computing? So he is becoming more vocal, at least publicly, around Bitcoin, which is interesting. So that's it for the video, guys. Pretty big news, right? Opening up $12 trillion plus to invest into Bitcoin, crypto, and other assets as well. And also the case being dropped against Ripple is enormous. So I'll keep you guys posted. Lots more I could talk about regarding tariffs, but everyone's so tired of that word. Well, we'll just see what plays out over the next couple days and weeks, as always. And also, I am in Vegas right now. If you are here for the Rare Evo conference, I may be heading to a party tonight, but I should be around tomorrow as well, which is the first official day. So if you're here, let me know. You can just shoot me an email, bitcoinaaron@proton.me, or just like message me on X, and you'll see me wandering around. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye for now.